Elimination of facial hyperpigmentation by means of electroporocosmesis and 0.5 mixed peeling. Facial hyperpigmentations can be prevented or lightened by means of electroporocosmesis and can be permanently eliminated by means of 0.5 mixed peeling. This patient has both dermal epidermal hyperpigmentations that are visible to the naked eye and hyperpigmentations that are only visible under the wood lamp. We will therefore use both techniques together. These timed surgery techniques are mixed peeling techniques and are so named because they involve two phases, one physical and one chemical. The physical phase renders the epidermis permeable so that a chemical substance, resorcin, can be applied. If applied to intact skin, resorcin has no effect. However, it is very effective if the epidermis is first rendered permeable. Mixed peeling techniques are the methods of choice for the treatment of hyperpigmentations, as the resorcin reduces the number of melanocytes. Reducing the cells that produce melanin makes the results permanent. .5 mixed peeling utilizes another specific current of the timed micropulse apparatus. The program data are direct pulsed 0.5, 24.5 hundredths of a second, coag 38 watts, EM15, 1.5 millimeter diameter. The operator skims the surface of the patches with the EM15 electromanipule to make the epidermis permeable. Before treatment begins, the saturated solution of resorcin is prepared. A small amount of resorcin powder is poured into a container and partially dissolved in a small amount of water. Once the epidermis has been permeabilized, the saturated solution of resorcin is applied with the glove. Application continues for a few minutes until a clearly visible frost forms. During application, the resorcin solution must not be allowed to dry. If it dries, it will prevent the subsequent penetration of the solution into the areas made permeable by the timed surgical current. The resorcin is then distributed over all the other areas of the face that have been permeabilized by the rotating electrodes. Application lasts a few minutes. The extreme efficacy of these techniques stems from the fact that the resorcin reduces the number of melanocytes. Reducing the cells that produce melanin makes the results permanent. The extensive action of electroporocosmesis gives the skin a uniform color. 0.5 mixed peeling eliminates dermal epidermal patches without leaving achromic areas. The skin of the treated area becomes indistinguishable from the surrounding skin. The techniques presented are efficacious and safe, and revolutionize the treatment of facial hyperpigmentations. To access this material, you must subscribe to the CRPUB.org medical video journal. Subscription is free and reserved for medical doctors only.